জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What? You can hear the sound of Uludwani and Shell, am I right? They are tearing your heart out. You deserve it. Now don't stand here, okay? Come on, come downstairs.
Andurba, please don't ask me to watch this scene. I can't. I beg you, Andurba, please leave me. Please don't take me to the wedding venue, Andurba. Please have mercy on me.
Listen, I don't want to take you to the wedding mandap, you understand? In fact, I didn't want you to stay here at all. Yes, I'm taking you to the mandap because Deepu wants me to. In fact, I wanted you to lock you in the room so that you could not create any kind of obstacles in the wedding. Don't you feel ashamed? Don't you feel ashamed? You wish bad for the one who provides for you, huh?
Oh my, what are you saying? I didn't cause any bad omen, trust me.
Of course you did. And you started with Dodhi Mangal. Then you ruined the turmeric ceremony and now you broke the Barandala. What do you think? You can call the wedding off by doing this? Tell me. You can call the wedding off by this? Tell me. You want to stay here as Deepu's wife, right? You want to become a queen despite of being a beggar? Tell me. That's why you're harming Jasmine every now and then. You want to prove Jasmine wrong in Deepu's eyes. You are even trying to prove that Kalpana doesn't approve of this wedding. Wow! But you won't be able to do it. You won't be able to call off this wedding. Look at yourself. Look at your face. Did you see? Did you see it? With this ugly face, you are dreaming of becoming a queen. How dare you dream of becoming a queen with this ugly face? How dare you?
I don't weave any dream for myself, Andurba. I have only one dream. I have only one dream, and that is Sir's well-being. And you also want Sir to be fine, right? You don't have any selfish gain behind this. That's why I'm telling you. I have only one wish. No evil being should cause danger to Sir. And Jasmine is an evil being. Andurba, she needs to be driven away. If we can't drive her away, the disaster can't be averted, Andurba. We need to drive her away.
Is Jasmine an evil being?
So did Andurba, believe me. If she wants, she can call off this wedding. Yes, Andurba. Andurba, I am telling the truth. Jasmine wants to harm Sir. Call off the wedding. Please call off the wedding, Andurba. Please call it off.
You are so cunning, you tried to trick me. You wanted to convince me by telling me the stories. You think that I am going to believe on your stories, right? Then you still haven't understood what I am. But now I have understood. I have understood what you are and who the evil being is. You are the evil being. You are evil. You want to harm Deepu.
No. Even hearing that I want to harm sir is a sin, Aunt Durba.
Keep quiet. Don't try to be nice. And listen, if you really want Deepu's well-being, then get Deepu married to Jasmine, okay? Otherwise you... No. Not you. I won't do anything to you. I won't harm you at all. I am going to harm your family members, okay? Remember, I will destroy them. Then you might learn your lesson.
Aunt Durba, what are you saying?
I have just said it. If you don't listen to me, I can also do
Aunt
it.
Durba,
Come on.
Aunt Durba, please don't take me there, Aunt Durba, please.
You will have to go in front of them, man. If you want to save your family members, then come with me without protesting like a good girl. You understand? You have to see Dripto and Jasmine's wedding with your own eyes, you understand? You dreamt too big, right? You will be punished for the same. Come on.
What's the matter, Nayan? Why have you come empty-handed? Aren't you from the bride's family? Dripto and Jasmine's ritual will take place in a while. You have to blow the conch shell. Come on, hold it. Did you see that? You couldn't stop the wedding even after breaking the wedding plate.
Why just her? Aren't you Goddess Vishalakhi's devotee? Even Goddess Vishalakhi won't be able to stop this wedding.
Oh, Lotus, do you really not want to stop this wedding? If you didn't want it, then why did you show me Dripto's danger? Why haven't you got the evidence yet, Lotus? And where is the policeman?
What are you thinking about, Nan? Huh? Will you write a poem on separation, huh? Come on, blow the conch shell. Come on, hurry up. And pray for the newly wedded couple's well-being.
Look how they are insulting the girl. I'm just standing here and watching it. I'm not able to do anything. I can't do anything. My hands are tied.
Mom, I'm not able to see Nayan in pain either.
Where are you going, father?
Why did Durba bring Nayan here? Don't you see what Sanjukta and Vicky are doing to her? Can't you see that? Tell me, will Nayan stand here and see Deepu's wedding? I'll go and take her away. I'm not going to stand that. Is this possible for her to see this scene?
Do you understand that, father? Do you understand that if my friend watches this, she will definitely be hurt?
How did you give permission for this wedding? Couldn't you think that this would happen? Rangana is right, brother Topo. Think about it carefully. You are responsible for this situation. Forgive me. I never say such a thing to you, but I am compelled to say this today. Nayan told us with a lot of hope that when you found out that Jasmine posed a threat to Deepu after returning, you would stop the wedding. That you wouldn't let this wedding happen, but you...
You are not able to understand my position,
Not just
Pratima.
Pratima. But I'm also not able to understand your position. You came up with so many logics, Tapo. You told me about them too. But even after listening to everything, I can't accept this wedding. No way. Never. Tapo, had you wanted, you could have stopped this wedding. But you did not try. You wanted a beautiful daughter-in-law. Because of that greed, you consented to Deepu and Jasmine's wedding. Look! 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 Look how Nayan is being tortured because of you today. Look! Look how she has to suffer, Tapo.
Nayan misunderstood me. But you also misunderstood me, Mom. How could I discard the girl Sanjukta chose? Had I done that, the life of the girl chosen by me would have been in danger. How could I harm someone despite knowing everything? Nayan, just the way you are suffering, I am also suffering, my child. Perhaps both of us are destined to suffer.
I'm feeling sorry to see you in pain, Nayan. But you know what? We are those kind of people who enjoy that feeling. We derive pleasure out of it. We are sadists, you know.
Oh, Vicky, you're so witty. You have such a great sense of humor.
Blow it. Why are you standing? You represent the family. You shouldn't have a problem blowing it. Blow it. Blow the conch shell. Come on.
Come on.
Blow it.
Just look at it, Nayan. Jasmine will remove the petal leaves slowly from her face and they will look at each other. Look closely and enjoy the moment, Nayan.
Blow the shell, Nayan. Blow the shell. The eldest son of our family is getting married. Make the moment auspicious. Are you a maidservant to this family? Praying for your master's well-being is your duty. Blow the shell.
Oh Lord, Dripto kept looking at Nayan during the entire ritual, and Jasmine has noticed that. Lord knows why she's getting so serious about the wedding. I hope she doesn't create a scene. Now that the ritual is completed, they'll exchange garlands, right?
They'll exchange the garlands. Yes.
Dripto, what are you waiting for?
Nayan didn't even let the Shubhodrishti ritual happen properly. But you can't beat me like this. This wedding will take place, and Dripto has to die at my hands. You can't stop either of these, Nayan. You can't.
Now they'll exchange the garlands. Lotus, I have to watch him drift towards danger. And I'm not able to do anything. Lotus, is there no way to stop this wedding? Is there no way at all? Please do something. Please help me. Please save Dripto, Lotus. Please save Dripto.
You're praying to the Lord, right, Nayan? It's of no use. It is pointless. I've already taken care of your policeman. No one will come, Nayan. No one will come to save you today.